Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is active for messages because iMessage uses that identity. Once signed in, turn off cellular data to force Wi-Fi use. This avoids accidental data charges. Next, join a stable Wi-Fi network or enable a personal hotspot from another device. Do this now because without a network, iMessage won't send. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and showing internet access. Then open Messages and confirm the status at the top. Next, enable iMessage in Settings, right arrow Messages, and verify Send as SMS is turned on. This lets your phone resort to carrier text when iMessage can't reach servers. Under Send and Receive, confirm your phone number and Apple ID are selected so conversations route correctly. If Wi-Fi drops, Messages will try SMS automatically, so make sure your carrier plan supports texts. Also check MMS is enabled if you need group messages or media, because multimedia on cellular uses different settings. Finish by testing both iMessage and SMS with a contact. Send a message while on Wi-Fi, then turn Wi-Fi off to confirm send as SMS works. If a bubble reads not delivered, long press it and select send as text message. To force all messages as SMS, simply disable iMessage in Settings, right arrow Messages. One key troubleshooting tip: if messages stall, toggle Wi-Fi, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and reboot the device. This usually clears handshake and restores sending capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.